I've barely kind of lifted up.
Go on then.
Walking now. Ready?
Wow.
That's a good size.
Jack.
It's massive. Yeah, I think that's bigger. I think that fish is heavier than mine, which one I caught ages ago. Fishy. You know you won't lose that fish, you know. Wow. Nope, Dad's going to lose that fish.
Yes, it's on the garlic.
Yep, that fish is going to lose straight away. You took a video?
Yeah. I'll stop that and we'll get a picture.